Hey guys, I thought I'd try out an experiment using some insane nuclear bombs, the stage 1, I guess that's not the insane one, the stage 1 nuclear bomb against 24 cinder block walls here to see what would happen, to see if it looked good or not, and it came out really well. I was real happy with this. It came out way better than I thought it would. Get some cool shots of this sequence here. Look at that. They're just opening up there. And boom. They really get some distance. So I'm glad I just used the stage 1, because dang, that was a big boom. This is a cool angle. So we got 1,728 bricks here. 72 bricks per wall with 24 bombs going off. That's pretty sweet. I think we should try the same experiment but with the propane tanks. See what kind of difference we get. That's cool. That was neat. Overhead shot here. Yeah, this reminds me of the 1,000 mousetraps going off at one time. And the side angle shot here in slow motion, that just pushes them out. Nice. That shot was pretty neat. Look at that. That's awesome. And this is just cool. We get the last slow motion shot here. That's just so satisfying. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share and do all that good stuff. Thanks.